Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Snapchat on Windows. Let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can find it by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store in the search bar. Once the store opens, go to the search box in the top right corner and type Snapchat. From the results, click on the official Snapchat app. Make sure it's published by Snap Inc., so you know it's the real one. Next, click the Get or Install button. The app will begin downloading, and it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, click Open to launch Snapchat on your Windows PC. Now, you'll see the login screen. Enter your username and password, or click Sign Up if you want to create a new account. Once you're logged in, you can send snaps, chat with friends, and explore stories directly from your computer. And that's it. You've successfully installed Snapchat on Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.